Hello friends, welcome to my creative channel to watch more creative videos on machine learning using Python. As we have gone through many videos on machine learning using Python, I am telling approximate type, face detection many videos, face recognition many videos, facial attendance many videos, age and gender classification many videos, then multiple face detection using DLIB library, then image steganography, then using Streamlit, then face alignment using DLIB library, then fruits and vegetable classification, image classification, then facial emotion recognition using DFace, facial emotion recognition using FAIR library, and we have seen lot of videos on Streamlit, which is a front-end tool of machine learning, and many more videos on face alignment. That was one video that is very popular, that is face alignment of Ganguly image. Then we have seen that the name of that video was Python face alignment. Please watch that video before watching this video. Then Python Streamlit face assignment and multiple face detection using DLIB library. This DLIB library is very critical. Today's video is about using DLIB library, the face alignment, but in different style. First of all, we'll go through the initial part of the program. Here input is image, friends image. Here three friends are sitting nearer to each other and I want to align the image. So we will see what happens. Here three persons are there. Okay. Now output is nothing. Now I will execute the program. First of all, we'll go through the program. Align image dot py. So this is all about the face alignment. And I will execute the program. First of all, I will take the friends image. Yes. Now we can see here these three friends are aligned different manner. So we have seen the previous image and we are seeing the aligned image. Now we will go through another image, that is Sajid. This face is little bit aligned. Now we will see that. Yes, fine. Now we will see that. Yes, image is aligned. So I successfully done with image alignment in different style. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe my channel. I will be back with more and more creative videos on DLIB library. This library is very critical. If your program is not working, it takes a lot of time to resolve the errors. I will try to do more videos on DLIB, popular library, more videos on machine learning, more videos on TensorFlow, more videos on Keras if possible, CNN, then attendance system and Streamlit. So keep watching my videos on youtube.com. Thanks for watching.